I never lie about it. My first pair of Air Max 1s was only like 3 or 4 years ago. But since then, I got the bug. So many dope pairs have come out. And these Sneakers Day ones, damn. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review. And this is for the Air Max 1 Sneakers Day double. So it's actually been a hot minute since these dropped, so it's made me kind of forget how it all went down. I can't remember if the Sneakers Day launch was global, worldwide, or if it was just a Europe thing. I was thinking it was a UK thing, but I remember on the day everybody was pissed off because Sneakers Day was giving off good stuff in like Amsterdam or Paris or whatnot. So maybe it was a UK thing, maybe it was a Europe thing only. So I don't know if this went worldwide or not, whatnot. But yeah, Sneakers Day was a bit of a weird one. A lot of people were pissed off. They got no access, got nothing. But I ended up with some good stuff in the end, to be fair. So let's get around to reviewing these shoes finally. So just in case you're from somewhere that doesn't have Sneakers, Sneakers is a Nike app, which basically is how you get all of the sort of exclusive kind of shoes. If there's going to be a hot pair of Jordans or a collaboration or whatever, chances are it's going to drop in the Sneakers app. They work it in different ways. It could be just like a time, you get 15 minutes to enter. It might be first come, first serve. Might be a random app you need to load up and find it in there and take a picture of this and whatnot. Loads of crazy stuff. But Sneakers Day was a bit rubbish for most people. There was a lot of waiting around for nothing. But it did produce some dope shoes. And this one right here, I believe, I can't remember how many years it was celebrating for Sneakers Day. Sneakers app. It's definitely over 1 year. So I don't know how many. But August 8th, which is shows you how long ago this was, this came out, and the box, which again doesn't make sense because you see all these scribbly lines, that would simulate that it was going to be a release where you had to scratch a picture and it would reveal something, which is something they've done many times. But for this one, it was literally the shoes coming out at this time, enter, you win or you lose. So it seems like something went wrong at some point and it didn't end up being how it was supposed to. But it is what it is. It says the date on the back of the shoe here, on the back of the box, 8/8 2020. And the colorway is Twine and Barbecue Brown. And I got these in the UK 10, which is my Air Max sizing. So open up the box, show you the shoe. And boom. Here is the shoe in all its glory. And holy shit. This shoe's crazy, yo. Like, what made this shoe a must-have for most Air Max 1 collectors and what made them want it is it just has that bespoke, crazy vibe. Like, the leather on it is absolutely nuts. The craftsmanship, they absolutely killed this. But yeah, let's get some close-up, show you the details of this shoe. So silhouette-wise, your standard Air Max 1. That nice shape that you all know and love. What makes this unique, obviously, is that supposedly these are all handcrafted from the most quality materials, kind of stuff that you would find if you was to do a bespoke pair of Air Max 1s. I believe the whole bespoke thing has gone now, but there was a time when you could go in and create your own custom sort of Nike shoe. I think it cost quite a lot, like over £1,000, I believe. I've seen a few people that have got some. They're very dope. I never would have done one because even on Nike ID, I struggled to come up with something that I really like. And this is something that I never would have designed myself, but it's just super dope. Got the different colors of browns and the leathers. It's just absolutely crazy. As you can see on this swoosh here, it's like a triple swoosh. You have a dark brown, right behind it a lighter brown, and right behind that even a more lighter brown. Then you get the different brown hair of this leather. Super fire. On the toe here, a mini swoosh. Everybody loves a mini swoosh. It's fire. Back of the shoe, you got Nike Air and the date, the 8/8/20, August 8th 2020. The toe box is this crazy material. When I first saw it, I thought it was gonna be like perforated, because that's how it looked from afar. It looks like just a standard mesh toe box, not perforated mesh, a mesh toe box, but it's got this sort of cross pattern, and I don't even know what material this is. Definitely not leather, I don't think, because I wouldn't imagine it would feel like this, but it's just super fire. super duper fire. Sole of the shoe again has a mix of those hues, the lighter browns, the dark sort of charcoal barbecue color. It's just fire. Inside the shoe, Sneakers Day. Laces come with these sort of off-whitey, sort of beigey laces. Nike Air Max on the tongue. It's just a fire shoe. They really did a good job on them. QC on them is not too shabby. Like, my pair has the odd little tiny little mark, but nothing crazy, which is good considering it was a bespoke sort of style shoe. But yeah, on to the second pair, which is a women's release. It's not for me, I got it for my girl, and yeah, I don't love it, to be honest, but let's get to it. So yeah, the women's shoe came in the exact same box, but this one is white and pure platinum for the colorway, and I got this in the UK 5, which is my girl's size. And yeah, boom, here is the tiny shoe in all its tiny, shiny, change color glory. It just seems to me, it just seems a little kiddie. I don't know if that's fair to say, but the rest of the shoe, like the bottom part of the shoe where you got the little mini swoosh here and the sort of platinum, back's fire. The swoosh, it has that same triple look for sort of white at the back, dark grey, then a light grey. Back of the shoe where it's got the date and the Air Max, that's all fire. But the rest of this, it's like, feels like plastic, and it changes color. It goes from green to blue to green. It's just not for me. Like, it's not my size anyway, so I wouldn't wear it, but I just don't think they're that dope. Bottom of the shoe is in this sort of icy white translucent look. Inside the shoe again, says Sneakers, got them. Nice little touches, but I don't know. I speak to women about shoes here and there, and all of them always say, like, Nike and all these brands, they get it wrong. Like, they think girls want stuff like this that's shiny and reflective and all that, when it's not that super girly thing that they're after. They kind of like what the men's shoes are like anyway. So it seems like another one where they got it kind of wrong, but what do I know? People might love this. My girlfriend likes it. I wouldn't say she loves it. As you can see, it's DS. She's not even thought to wear it at the moment, but it's just alright for me. It's not great. But anywho, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, seeing these two Sneakers Days pairs. Which one do you prefer? The men's pair, the women's pair? I prefer the men's pair, of course. Super duper happy with these. Anywho, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, @AshBashSneakers. Dope pictures. Hit me up in the DMs if you want to chat about whatever. I'll be there. Anywho, see you later. Bye bye.